Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Are you ready to transform your life and deepen your connection with Allah? Welcome to Quran Memorization Hub, the ultimate destination for aspiring Quran memorizers. Imagine waking up each day knowing you're one step closer to memorizing the words of Allah. With our free Quran memorization classes, you can learn how to do exactly that.
والشفع والوتر والشفع والوتر.
Join our supportive community as I share my proven techniques to help you memorize the Quran easily and effectively. Whether you're a beginner or looking to improve, I'll guide you through every step. Our students are already experiencing incredible results, feeling more connected to their faith and developing a love for the Quran like never before. Including comments, I've never felt so motivated to memorize until I joined this class. Thank you helps me learn Quran. It's difficult for me, but I will learn. May Allah bless you in your journey. Ameen. Don't miss out on this amazing opportunity. Click the link below to subscribe and access our first free class. Let's unlock the beautiful treasures of the Quran together. Your journey to memorizing the Quran starts now. Hit that subscribe button and join us in cultivating a deeper understanding and connection with Allah. Together, let's make this journey unforgettable. Brothers and sisters, we've come to the end of another fantastic video. Thank you so much for joining us today. If you enjoyed this content, please don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more amazing videos. Remember, sharing is caring, so feel free to share this video with your family and friends. Until next time, inshallah, stay blessed.